Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where today I'm gonna show you how to make this dried up mummified dog, which is very lovely. I'll see here. Yes, little toffee. Yeah, so let's get going, shall we? So, what you need is liquid latex, foams, pantyhose, some squares for the eyes, and a 3D printer and stuff. So, starting here, I have 3D printed parts of different dog skeletons, which I found on different sites, and I completely lost all of this because I printed this skeleton about many years ago, and now I needed to make a zombie dog, so I used it. Anyway, so you see, you have a 3D printed dog skeleton here, and you're actually gonna start to reconstruct a dog from it. So you see, I am constructing the ears here out of foam and trying to, sharpen up so they will look less realistic as possible. They're a little bit too thick, but anyway. So now you see here, I am bending it and put a little to make a nose here, and now I'm making a lot of pores in the nose here, and I have some reference material to look at how a dog nose looks like, because I do not have a dog that I can look at on a daily basis. So you see it also a little bit damaged here because it's gonna be a dead dog slash zombie dog. So you see here, now I am gluing a circle around here because I don't really know what kind of a skull it is, so I'm going for like some overgrown chihuahua thing, because I think they have very interesting popping out eyes, and also you see some flesh around the teeth here. Now here is the leg and the shoulder blade of it, and I am very much off screening here, wrapping some foam around it to make it a little bit more fleshy, because he's gonna look very old. This is something abandoned, but with thinner foam this would be a good solution. So instead we take the pantyhoses and stretch it over. This is the rib cage of a dog. We have a shrinked up rib cage disorder, I find out. Anyways, now we're gonna rip it up to make it a little zombie skin a little bit more interesting here. So now you see there, and we're gonna paint all things here in a skin colored, because he is a little bit of a almost naked dog. He's gonna have some fur on him also later stage, because dogs should have fur, I believe. I have read it somewhere. Now you see, this all taking part shape here much more interestingly here. Now we have some skin getting on here with the latex also. So this will dry up and stretch, so it looks fantastic, and also a little bit more skin texture thing. You can spend a lot of time painting this to your specific need. But you see here, now we have there, and now I'm actually going to cut the latex that I paint over the eyes and peel them back so they will be like a part of the eyelid of the dog, because it would be good if he can see something even though he's very much not alive. So you see, now I'm just stretching it here, and it starts to roll over itself, so you use that to your advantage to make a little eyelid thing here going on. You see, it looks so much more like a dog with some skin here, but you can also build up in some areas to make it look even more. So now when we are done it, I'm going to paint some black into the eyes here to be some glossy thing, so it will look more like the eyes of itself. Also, black glass beads would be a perfect thing to use otherwise. So you see, now we have some little bit of a fur that I'm gonna put glue on with a glue gun here a little bit everywhere, just to cover up some joint parts there in the back and so on, but give him some character. So now we see, when we have done that, and also gonna paint a little bit of the nails and the finger joint and things like that, and you can have some red paint and stuff on it. So I hope you'll find this build video interesting due to it's not really a very, you know, comprehensible way to make this, but this is one way, and I hope it was informative. Don't you like it, doggy? Yes. Bye.